am a beautiful, radiant, great person who has so much to offer, so much to bring to the table, and so much love to give. I am deserving of healthy, fulfilling relationships, and I'm willing to do the inner work that will help me thrive in them. Because for my relationships to be real, it requires my real, true self to show up. Not the perfect version of myself, not the version of myself that strives to make everyone else happy at the expense of my own needs and happiness. Not the version of myself that is people-pleasing or approval-hungry. Self-sacrifice is not sexy, and it's not sustainable. Overcoming codependency is a process. It's a learning curve, but I'm here for it. I'm ready to fully love, embrace, and stand up for myself. I'm ready to release any fears that keep me from having a voice. I'm letting go of any beliefs that keep me feeling small or less than, or that keep me afraid of being myself. I'm letting go of the thought that it's selfish or uncomfortable to assert my needs. I deserve to have all my needs taken seriously, honored, and met. I'm ready to speak my truth. I'm ready to give myself as much compassion and understanding and care as I give to other people. I'm ready to set boundaries and create space and room in my relationships for me to breathe and for me to feel really good. Space that honors my individuality, my independence, and my freedom. I am valuable, and I remind myself of that truth every single day. All of my feelings, needs, and yes, even my wants and desires are so completely valid. They don't need to be justified. They already are. Even when it's difficult, even when I experience inner resistance, I choose courage. I choose to be vulnerable, to express my true thoughts and feelings. I choose to have real conversations, sometimes hard conversations, necessary conversations. I can do it. I am doing it. I am brave and I'm safe. I'm moving towards the highest version of myself, and I'm unapologetic for who that is and for who I am, for who I'm not, and for what it is I need. I have standards. I have expectations, and I will not lower the bar on how I should be treated, period. It is completely possible for me to be deeply loving without being codependent. That is what I strive for, and that is the direction my life leads. Hey babe, thank you for being a part of the Affirmation Babe movement. We are changing lives by helping people change the way that they speak to themselves. And I have a surprise for you, but I need your help. We are trying to reach more and more people around the world. And one of the best ways to do that is to be able to climb the podcast charts. So I have a favor to ask. Would you please head over to Apple Podcast and leave a review for Affirmation Babe? And when you do that, I am going to send you a free bracelet. Here's how it works. Take a screenshot of your review and go to affirmationbabe.com/review. You'll upload your review to that form and we'll send you a brand new Affirmation Babe bracelet. It is so pretty and it's made with purple amethyst gemstones and it's engraved with the words, "You can have it all." Leave a review, upload it to that form with your mailing address, and we will send you your bracelet anywhere in the world. Does that sound good? Enjoy your affirmation. Go leave a review and thank you. follow the Affirmation Babe on Instagram. Did you love this affirmation? Take a screenshot or selfie and tag us. And also, send me a message personally and let me know what you would love to hear more of. I'm Ashley Diana, founder of Affirmation Babe. Connect with me at Miss Ashley Diana on Instagram. I can't wait to hear from you. And remember, you can have it all.